Today's topic will be sequences. Sequences are just a more fancy grown-up word for patterns. We've been learning and practicing sequences in school forever now, and really the only new things we learn about patterns are two new types of patterns. Some things we learn are arithmetic patterns, geometric patterns, and some are also neither. This may sound confusing at first, so let's get their definition before we go any farther. An arithmetic is a sequence that increases or decreases by the same amount each term. An example of that would be 1, 3, 5, 7. Another sequence that we learn is a geometric sequence, which involves multiplying or dividing by the same amount each term. An example of that would be 1, 5, 25, 125. And lastly, neither, a pattern which doesn't fit in either categories. Now that we have definitions, we can get into some questions, and then we'd have to categorize them into their sequences. Starting simple, 40, 43, 46, 49, and 52. This right here we would categorize into arithmetic. Why? Because every time it rises by 3, making it arithmetic. The next one, 1, 5, 25, 125. This will be geometric, as it multiplies by 5 each term to get to next term. And lastly, neither, a sequence which doesn't use either of the patterns and goes into its own.